So in this Freecash tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Palmon Survival here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on Earn. On this page right here, if you were to scroll down, you can see a bunch of different games that you can play to earn some money. And in this case right here, Palmon Survival, if you were to download this game, you can earn up to potentially $750 of real money. Now, once the game's downloaded, if you want to find out how to actually earn that, I will show you right now. So there's a bunch of different challenges that you can complete throughout the game. And basically, the further that you play this and progress, the more money that you guys can make. So for example here, if you were to, reach camp level 21, you can earn 239 bucks right there. Daily rewards, right? For just playing this game for 2 minutes, you can earn 4 cents. If you were to play for 7 different days, you can earn a buck 30, etc. So a bunch of different rewards that you guys can earn right here. There's main rewards right here. So if you were to go ahead and reach level 8 on the first day, you can earn 89 cents, etc. So a lot of different ways to play this game, progress through the game, and earn some rewards. And if you were to go ahead and complete these rewards, you can earn yourself some real cash, and do that relatively quickly here. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But that's how to make real money by playing Palmon Survival here in Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.